All right, what's going on, everybody? Beautiful day here in Las Vegas. So there's something I want to talk about that I don't think anybody has talked about this, and I think this is very important for all the people that are planning on buying a home out here in Las Vegas, especially if you're building a brand new home and you're being told that, hey, there may be a strip view, and you're buying a home, especially if you're buying like a $3-4 million home, and you're buying it based upon the view, because the Las Vegas nightlife, the Skyline, is so beautiful, and that's where the value is, right? When you start buying homes at $2-4 million. And what I've noticed is that a lot of buyers that build a home and they're being told that there's going to be a strip view, but also the contract says we don't guarantee it, right? Or a peekaboo strip view. Look, it's very important as a buyer that you actually check if there's a view, because time and time again, this has happened where you have a buyer that buys a piece of property that does have a full strip view, but then there's actually land, right, across the street. Next thing you know, it's zoned for something else. And what happens is there goes your view and there goes the value of your property, because the Las Vegas Strip, the view, there is a premium for that. Some of these premiums go up to $1 million for the lot premiums. I've seen $2 million for strip views, especially up in Ascaya. Okay? So I just want to give you a prime example here. So this community right here, okay, these are modern homes that literally had the view fencing that faced the strip, okay? And then what had happened was, years ago, there was no development here. And then eventually what happened was somebody bought this land, and now they are building properties right off of Horizon. So all these people right here that spent $1 to $1.5 to $2 million on their home because they had such a beautiful, gorgeous view of the Las Vegas Strip here, now it's gone. Also, I've noticed, and I did some research, and I've done a couple videos here in the past where they were trying to sell their properties, probably because they knew that this dirt got sold and they're trying to offload their property. Unfortunately, they didn't unload it fast enough, and now they're gonna have to do a dramatic price reduction. So now the view is blocked, and there goes your unobstructed view and the value of your property. So remember, these things could go for about like $2 million at one point, but now you're probably gonna have to sell it at 1.3. The value is just only in the structure of the land, which is a bummer. And a lot of people end up doing this. So the point here that I'm trying to make is, look, if you are buying a home and you're building a home, it is very important, okay, that you check the zoning. Wherever you're buying your house, take a look at the surrounding areas. If there's like vacant land, you need to have your agent check the zoning. What happens if they build a high-rise here? Which is, they're not going to build a high-rise here, but they're building a house here, and now you're losing the view because your home is not elevated high enough. However, you still may get a view from the second floor, but it's not going to be that unobstructed view, okay? And I think that's very important, because when you buy a home, you have to take a look at everything. You got to cross your T's and dot your I's. So just make sure your real estate agent, no matter where you live, have your agent check the zoning. But at the end of the day, it's going to be your sole responsibility to look at all these things, okay? It's so important. It's just, unfortunately, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 homes that had such a great view, but now it's gone. There goes your value. Imagine having $800,000 worth of equity gone. Unbelievable. So these guys are actually trenching right now. They got the fire hydrant in. This is where the road's gonna be. So the main roads are gonna be up in the front. The front of the house is gonna face the back of the house here, obviously, it looks like. Then these guys will have some sort of strip view, but you're still off of a main road. Now, what's coming here is Richmond American Homes, or Richmond American Homes. So, just so disappointing. And that's something I just wanted to share with you guys, because I think that is so important that you need to be aware of that. Another thing, you may want to check your federal and local aviation to see what those flight paths are as well. Last thing you want to do is buy a house and you've got planes flying above you all day long here in Las Vegas. When you decide to sell, you're going to have some trouble. Just like this right here, right? These homes, view is gone. You're asking for top dollar. If you're asking for $2 million, there's other properties out there for $2 million that has a better view. And the only way you're gonna have to sell this property is you're gonna have to liquidate it at a discounted price. Man, I really do feel bad for these people. So at this point, you're gonna have to price your property accordingly to the properties in front and the structure of the home at this point. So disappointing. Guys, I hope you guys learned something today. Also, if you guys haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. And if you guys like more video content like this, I mean, let me know. I want to share the information. I want to share the love. Also, if you guys don't have a real estate agent, man, I definitely would love the opportunity to earn your business. Other than that, until next time, I'm Chakits. Peace. If you guys want to check out all our video home tours, we have over 1,800 video home tours. Just go ahead and click on this video right here. If you guys are in the market and you want to purchase a home and want to get started, visit lvhomeexperts.com. Scan this QR code right now. Also, if you guys just love real estate and want to get into real estate, go ahead and subscribe to our second channel. Until next time, peace.